Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to chrome nails at home, updated. Start by prepping nails thoroughly. Trim, file, push cuticles, and clean with alcohol. Apply a thin gel base, cure, then paint your chosen gel color and cure again. Use a no-wipe top coat, cure, then rub chrome powder with a soft applicator until smooth. Seal with a final glossy gel top coat and cure to finish the mirror look. Gather everything you need before you begin to avoid interruptions and dust settling on sticky layers. File and shape each nail to your preferred silhouette, then gently buff to remove surface shine. Push cuticles back and clean with alcohol so products adhere properly. Organize chrome powder and applicators nearby, and set your LED lamp within easy reach. Work in a clean, shaded area to help prevent lint and debris from ruining the finish. After curing a no-wipe top coat, use a soft applicator to press chrome powder into the nail, working in small circular motions for a seamless mirror effect. Build intensity gradually with thin passes and brush away excess powder gently to avoid streaks. Seal the shine with a high-gloss gel top coat and cure completely to lock in durability. Keep a lint-free cloth and steady hands for the cleanest, longest-lasting chrome manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.